Okay, so we have the lead plugged in to a live socket, standard lead. Plugging it into the KSGER T12 Soldering Station. Making the connection. Switch on and nothing happens. There's no light and nothing on the screen. Dead. If I press hard upwards, I can get the light to flicker on, and doing the same we can see that there's now something showing on the screen, although it shows error. When you take the pressure off, power is lost again. So only by pressing hard upwards on the socket can we make any power come to the device. Let it go, power goes off again. Okay, switch off there.